Paano kung may sedan ka na kayang bumiyahe ng 1,600 kilometers yung range sa isang full charge at full tank? Well, problema yata yun Paano mo mauubos yung ganun kalayong range? Meet the new BYD Seal 5 DMI. Powered by a BYD's 5th generation Super DMI, a plug-in hybrid technology na mas matipid, mas efficient at mas mababa ang maintenance compared to traditional gasoline cars. At hindi lang to basta matipid lang. Kasi meron itong 522 liters na trunk capacity at pwede pang lumaki kung ipo-fold mo yung rear seat. So, napaka-convenient kasi pwede mong gamitan ng NFC card to access, remote for vehicle function, and BYD app gamit ang phone mo. Sa loob, meron tayong premium cabin, 10.8 inches na floating infotainment screen, sporty na steering wheel, clean at minimalist na Sentry console na napaka-useful. At dito sa likod, maluwag, may aircon pa. Kung naghahanap ka ng matipid, practical at loaded sa modern tech features, this is the new BYD Seal 5 DMI. So I'm Mark from EV Channel PH. Stay charged and drive this electric.